All right, we are going back to Jesse now. You're tracking a lot of storms that are going to be pushing through in the next few hours.
And you remember I said at the top of the show, we were waiting on a severe thunderstorm watch. We have that issued now. So almost all of North Texas is included in this. The only exception would be Van Zandt County and Henderson County, but everybody else until 5 o'clock in the morning. Our main concern with the strongest thunderstorms tonight will be damaging wind gusts of about 60 miles per hour. Now, it may be stronger in some instances, but about 60 on average. And here's what's happening. We're watching the thunderstorms kind of come together well off to our west. We still don't really have much activity in North Texas. There are a couple rumbles of thunder going on toward Paris and Clarksville. But the thunderstorms still out toward Abilene and Albany and then up into Oklahoma. These will come together over the next few hours and then kind of migrate to the southeast. So by midnight, we're looking at thunderstorms still to the west of Montague County, maybe into Graham, into Young County. We'll see some thunderstorms. And again, there's that potential for damaging wind gust right along the edge of this. Okay, so once you get behind it, when you're looking at this stuff here, let's say 1 o'clock in the morning for Graham and Bowie, the damaging wind threat dies down. It's just going to be on the leading edge of this. So this is 1 a.m. from Denton County down through Parker and Wise County, 2 o'clock in the morning from Collin County, Dallas, Tarrant County. You're going to hear some wind. You're going to see the lightning. You're going to hear the thunder, the heavy rain, maybe some hail. When the thunderstorms get in a line like this, the hail risk really drops. You can still see some, but it would likely be on the order of pennies to dimes, something like that. That kind of hail, nothing gigantic, or we're not talking softball size hail. All right, so there's 2 a.m. There's 3 o'clock in the morning. Paris, Sulphur Springs, Greenville, all the way down through Johnson and Ellis County, and then out toward Eastland County. There's 4 o'clock in the morning. Again, this stuff right here would just be some rain, some thunder and lightning. It's going to be in the edge of this where that damaging wind threat will exist. There's 5 a.m. We'll be watching radar all night. Showers and thunderstorms at 5 o'clock in the morning. There's 7 a.m. Lingering rain is possible early Monday morning. Then that's the first round. We'll have a second round in the afternoon and evening. This will be more scattered in nature, not as widespread as what's moving in overnight. The impact: brief heavy rain, frequent lightning, up to quarter-size hail, up to 60-mile-per-hour winds. That's why we have the WFAA alert day in effect, because we are expecting, again, a secondary chance for some stronger severe thunderstorms Monday afternoon. Stay updated. Have a way to receive warnings and download the WFAA Plus app to your TV. Now let's go through the Monday timeline. If you have Memorial Day plans, there will be dry hours. Okay, this is 7 a.m. You see still some lingering rain. Look how the rain dissipates, though, by midday. You see it's not widespread. There will be some dry time on Monday. Now, as we get into the afternoon, watch what happens. You see some scattered thunderstorms start to develop. Again, it's not widespread. That's 3 p.m. You'll see some thunderstorms out toward Graham, Decatur, into the Metroplex by 5 and 6 o'clock. Even 8 o'clock, still some lingering scattered showers and storms through 9. And then 11, the rain chances will start to decrease as we go into the overnight. Clouds will stick with us. So again, some of those could be strong to severe with the same concerns as tonight, which will be up to 60-mile-per-hour winds and up to quarter-size hail. It's a level 2 slight risk for most of North Texas, a lower risk to the northwest of the Dallas-Fort Worth area Monday afternoon and Monday evening. Reminder, tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, the coverage will not be as widespread as we're expecting tonight. Storms are likely overnight. Some of them could be severe, with damaging winds being the primary risk. Tomorrow, 83 degrees, scattered thunderstorms, not as hot as today. Today was the hottest day of the year so far. We hit 95. It wasn't a record. Tomorrow will be cooler, 83 degrees, 84 Tuesday, 82 Wednesday. Looking beyond, you see temperatures stay relatively comfortable for this time of the year. Then we're back into the upper 80s by next Sunday. Rain chances will get a little bit more isolated in nature after this upcoming weekend. So once we get into that first week of June, still a couple of chances for showers and storms, just not as widespread as we're expecting overnight tonight and throughout the day on Monday. And yes, even though the 80s look nice, the 90s return shortly after.